Just don't make a sound and everything will be okay. What was that? Probably the laundry machine or something. Shit, where's my charger?
Stay in your room, call 911 quickly, and don't make a sound.
Okay, this is really happening. What is really happening? Okay, just need to call 911, no matter what it is, and don't make a sound. Fuck! Where is my charger? Just don't make a sound. Maybe Dad took care of it and everything is fine. But... Nat, you are going to survive this day. This is not how your life is going to end. You will make it out of this alive. Your whole life has not led to this moment. You're gonna be fine. In a few hours, you'll be going to sleep, and this will all be a horrible memory. You're going to wake up, go to school, see your friends. You're going to go to college and grow up and then get a job and have a family. This is not the end. Well, I guess this is gonna make a great college essay. I hope a lot of people come to my funeral. No, shut up. Don't think that stuff. You're not gonna be that kid who dies as a teenager that has their own marathon or some shit. Maybe if I don't make a sound at all, he'll think that no one is in here and he'll leave. But fuck, what if he killed Mom and Dad? Think positive. Maybe the dog was messing around. Maybe someone broke in, killed Mom and Dad, and they're gonna kill me when they find me. No, 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 no. No. Just don't make a sound, and everything will be okay. It has to be. It has to be.